guys, this is Mrs. Lyons, a second video to kind of go over once you have your molarity of your sodium hydroxide, which is the molarity of hydroxide ion concentration. There are a few ways that you can go about figuring out the pH, the pOH, and the hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, so from my lab data, I found out that my hydroxide ion concentration was 0.070177. And again, I'm carrying out a lot of these digits just for the sake of rounding at the end. Okay, so there's a couple of things you can do with hydroxide ion concentration. We know that hydroxide ion concentration times hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 14th. All right. We also know that pOH is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. Okay, so there's two ways that we can use the hydroxide ion concentration. I'm going to do both just to show you that there are multiple paths to the correct answer. Okay, so if I plug into this first, I get that, let's see, 0.071077 times hydrogen ion concentration is going to be 1 times 10 to the negative 14th. So let's plug this in. Let's see. Oh my goodness. 1 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by 0.071077 gives me, let me check that again. I want to do that math again. 1 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by 0.071077 is 1.4. Okay, so that tells me that my hydrogen ion concentration is 1.4069 times 10 to the negative 13th. Okay. I could also do, with my hydroxide ion concentration, I could find out that pOH is negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. Okay. So I could find out that pOH would be negative log of 0.071077. Let's do that. Negative log 0.071077. That would give me a pOH of we're going to go with 1.15. Okay. Now, if I've got that, I can figure out what my pH is, because pH plus pOH equals 14. Okay. So if I take 14 minus 1.15, I get that my pH is 12.85. Okay. So I'm going to circle a few things that we're looking for. And we're going to see if they kind of all match up. Okay, pOH. Okay. Let's see. If I use my hydrogen ion concentration, I should be able to find my pH. Let's see if that works. So I know that, what do I know? I know that hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. So, no, that is not right. Let's try this again. pH is equal to the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, so pH would equal negative log 1.4069 times 10 to the negative 13th. So let's do that. Negative log 1.4069 times 10 to the negative 13th, and I get pH is 12.85. Check it out. Two ways to verify what pH is. Okay, and you could do any combination of those equations. Let me give you those equations one more time that you're going to find useful in calculating the things you need to do for the lab. pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. POH is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. Let's see, hydrogen ion concentration times hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 14. Two more ways. If you have the hydroxide ion concentration, or hydrogen ion concentration, it's equal to 10 to the negative pH. Hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 10 to the negative POH. Okay, so you can use any combination of these, and what I'm going to ask you in the lab, I'm going to ask you to tell me hydroxide ion concentration, hydrogen ion concentration, pH, and POH. All right, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of a walkthrough. I know I kind of went all over the place. The reason I did that is I want you to be able to figure out for yourself which way to go with doing the calculations. I don't want to tell you exactly one way to do it. I want you to kind of use those equations in the correct way. All right, I hope that helps. I will see you in class. Take care of yourself.